Wisdom tells us that if you give a person a fish, you feed them for a day. But if you teach a person to fish, you feed them for a lifetime. We think it's best to do both. In Howard County, 1 out of every 10 people is experiencing significant food insecurity, and many more are often hungry. And yet each average suburban lawn can grow hundreds of pounds of food per year. The Community Ecology Institute's big idea is to address this inequity through our new Nourishing Gardens program, which transform lawns into food-growing gardens that support the multifaceted health of our community members. The Nourishing Gardens program emphasizes the empowerment and resiliency of our community by teaching people how to grow their own food and increasing access to fresh food grown where people live, learn, work, and play. Just the act of gardening supports physical health, and our program adds on green-collar job skills, food justice, nutrition, mental health, and environmental health.
Our Nourishing Gardens program is already growing. In September, we launched our first cohort of 13 volunteers from the community who are being trained on how to install Nourishing Gardens. We are gearing up for gardens at several of our Title I elementary schools, at Howard Community College, in Columbia Association Community Spaces, with HopeWorks, and in income-limited multi-family housing developments. By 2024, we want to celebrate having transformed 15 acres of public and private land into Nourishing Gardens, growing over 100,000 pounds of fresh local produce for the community, creating 50 green-collar job opportunities, and providing more than 10,000 hours of education on how to increase food security through growing your own food.
With financial support from Changemaker, we will invest the resources needed to fully operate the program. We will have a scholarship fund to install Nourishing Gardens for those who are income limited, and we will provide free Nourishing Gardens installation training to community members. CEI can be counted on to put your support to great use. We already run a variety of award-winning community education programs that support our mission to cultivate communities where people and nature thrive together. In 2020, we welcomed over 1,000 people to our Freetown farm in Columbia and worked together to grow more than 5,000 pounds of food for our community.
It is our dream that through the Nourishing Gardens program, we can help people thrive with full stomachs, healthy bodies, a connected community, and pathways to economic security. As a fruit grower myself, I can personally say that being able to step outside and pick fruits and vegetables you've grown with your own hands is an experience not to be missed. The future of our personal and collective well-being is dependent on how we nourish ourselves, our community, and our environment. As change makers, we can nourish the future of Howard County, one garden at a time.